I think a very big move is about to take place very soon for cryptocurrencies. As we can see, cryptocurrencies have been crashing again today. We're heading lower, and I believe we're going to see a very big crash, a very big move to the downside very soon. And everything I've been saying as I've been predicting these crashes and dumps, they've been happening just like I said. And I think something even bigger is going to be taking place. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys my thoughts just very quickly in this video. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and stick around to the end of this video. So here we have Bitcoin sitting at $27,500. If we take a look at this key area right here, this green line, this is a major support level that Bitcoin keeps coming back to. We bounced off of it over here, finally made a move up. Now we're back, we bounced off of it, and we're testing it over and over again. The same thing for Ethereum. And one thing that we know in technical analysis is that the more a level is tried and tested, the more likely it is going to break. So this support right here, I am 99.9% confident that it is going to break very soon. It's not financial advice, of course, and anything can happen. Any type of news event can change the course of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies at any given moment. So that is surely a fact. But Bitcoin is hanging on by a thread. Ethereum is hanging on by a thread, the same type of support. So cryptos are not looking very good. And I think Bitcoin is probably going to be making a move down to this chat box that I drew here, and all of my technical analysis you can have access for free on Twitter and my free trading community in my link below. But I think Bitcoin is probably going to be seeing $23,000 very soon. And actually not far from that, I do believe we are going to test $19,500 and between $21,000, somewhere in that level there. I do believe Bitcoin is going to test. The reason why I feel that way is because there is a CME gap right here. And guess what? CME gaps are usually always filled 99.9% of the time. So this CME gap is going to be likely filled, which is going to be around $20,000 to $21,000. That can probably happen within 90 days, maybe longer. I don't know. Ultimately, I do believe Bitcoin will probably retest the yearly open. The yearly open was around $16,000, and I think Bitcoin will probably test this around December, January. Understanding the economic environment we're in, entering into a recession, things are not looking very good for risk assets, and Bitcoin is a risk asset. I do believe, though, that Bitcoin will probably come down here eventually, test this level, break back above, and then we'll probably see a rocket to crazy numbers around next year by the time of the halving. That's my current thoughts, and Bitcoin could probably hit $50,000 to $75,000 by next year. And everything I'm talking about Bitcoin refers basically 100% to most altcoins except the meme coin. So guys, get ready. I think a very big move is going to be taking place this month of May. We also have CPI, I believe is coming Wednesday. I will clarify on that later. And that's going to be a huge data event to cause even more volatility. But what we can do is understanding CPI. If we want to understand CPI before it happens, we need to understand the stock market. So the stock market had actually bounced up after a huge crash, and it is holding relatively strong. However, most importantly, what we are seeing and forming is lower highs on the S&P 500. If we take a look at the dollar, we are still showing support. We're still showing that we are still holding up, and that's very important. So these factors alone are telling me that we will probably have a move to the downside after CPI is out. The immediate reactions of data events are only relative to that day and the volatility of those couple of days. The real reaction takes usually a week, several days to take place in the market. Last week we had a whole bunch of bad news. It ended up pumping the market immediately because of all the volatility and short squeezes and long squeezes. But guess what? Days after the market fully digests the information, what happens? We're crashing and we're heading lower. So that's what's going on. If you guys want to follow and copy all of my exact trades, I'm up massive profits this week, and all of my Patreons, people who follow my trade alerts, are making insane profits. I put out profitable trade alerts every week guaranteed, sometimes every single day, sometimes usually 2 to 3 incredible profitable trades every single week. You can have immediate access by joining the Patreon. And also I'm hosting a trading tournament on Bitget, where you can also trade Pepe coin, but you can win up to $10,000 with my trading tournament. It ends the end of this month, so hurry up, open up an account right now, use that link in my video description. And most importantly, guys, What calls out these moves is my trading algorithm. I designed it with my own trading strategy, and it tells me exactly when to buy and when to sell for any cryptocurrency. Look at this. For Pepe coin, it sold us the very top. It gave a sell alert at the very top. If you're using my indicator, you can just follow these indicators, especially meme coins or any coin you want, for free, and it tells you exactly when to buy and sell. It's one of the most accurate trading systems in the entire world. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing and notifications on, and I'll see you later.